Good morning. Today is the Yorkshire Wildlife Park. Bit of zoo fun. Let's see how it goes. We're social distance queuing and we're going in any minute now. So, we've just been through the check-in and they've said they're going to email us a free return. Isn't that nice of them? I don't know how long that's going on for, but get yourself to Yorkshire Wildlife Park now. You never know your luck. He's comparing his meerkats. Hello. Having a bit of breakfast.
The mum to them. You know the female that first cried.
I think it's funny that my people are so quick to them.
Is having a story. What? How did that just start? It's the plug on. What plug?
Pretty cat. Yes, you, pretty cat. You, I see you. Armadillo, crunchy on the outside, chewy on the inside.
Oh, it's not really what you're telling me.
Where's Crystal?
Hedgehog? Hedgehog?
It looks like a hedgehog in the back.
It's quite cute, isn't it?
Yeah. She'll like it.
You look very nice, but what are you? Is it a deer? Is it a rat? I don't know. It's coming to have a look. Hello there. How are you doing? Are you cute? Some of these things is huge. That's a nice big chicken. So we're looking through the trees, and what do we find here? Only a couple of giraffes in it. So, it's time for a coffee break. We found this nice little area to sit. What do you think of my camera bag? It's a proper Kipling. It's really hot as well. And there's still loads left to see. We haven't gone to the tigers or the leopards yet. So stay tuned. We're going to have a coffee and then go and see them. So that's coffee break over. On with the exploring. We've still got to find the leopards and the tigers. So here we go. So, if you come here for the day, you won't need a kettle because they've got water otters. And the tigers, that's what we're after. This way. We don't know what these are, but we saw them at Dublin Zoo.
I can't quite remember what they were called.
They're fantastic, aren't they? Whatever they are.
No, they're not kangaroos, they're related to giraffes.
Apparently those weird things are called okapi. And the tigers, brace yourself. The wonderful thing about tigers is tigers are wonderful things. Their heads are made out of rubber, the tails are made out of springs. They bouncy, 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 fun, 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 fun. Except this one who's just sitting there doing none. These monkeys are called gelada. And they come from Ethiopia. So, you're allowed to go on holiday to Spain again. But you're all kicking yourselves now for wasting your money. Look at the weather here. So, unfortunately, the leopards are demonstrating their camouflage rather well, so we can't see them today. If you see them anywhere, let me know where in the comments. So, another demonstration of how efficient their camouflage is. And here we have Cafu Lechwe. Native of Africa. Okay, time for a tea break. It's wow hot. Like I said earlier, Benidorm's open now with their air corridor. Everyone's paid an absolute fortune to get over there for a bit of sun, and this is unbelievable. It hasn't cost us a bean. Wallabies, not baby kangaroos. Okay, you all know I love piggy wiggies, so let's go look at some. These warty pigs apparently. Aren't they great? I love piggy wiggies. Watch out, there's a big teddy bear about. Oh dear, teddy bear's about. But that's where we're walking.